Alright guys, before we go to the main project of this airdrop, I'm going to show you some proof before we start the project. So when you go to my SuperX account, when you go to wallet, we'll go to that symbol here, and I'm going to teach you something, so follow me very well. So you can see on the 19th of August, you see the XRP here, you see success, and you see the date, and these are the fees. So you can, I'm counting the XRP for you to see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So watch here very well. I'll proving it on the site for you that I had withdrawn from that site. So you and also take a look at the amount. It's 0.4027. So I'm going to tap on 1 to verify that it's being paid or not. So as you can see, I've received the amount of 0.00027 XRP. It's called Repo, and this is my address. So you'll be seeing the address here, and this is my memo, and this is the transaction ID. We are going to verify this on their main website. Alright, so when you come onto the website, you can see that we are having the XRP balance of 17,411.488 Repo. Alright, the Repo short abbreviation for their coin is XRP. So in Ghana, it's equivalent to 103,220 Ghana cedis, and this is the rate of the coin. As I said earlier, in Ghana cedis is 5 Ghana cedis, but in dollar it's 0.52 cents. Alright, so as you can see from here, I've drawn 0.00027 repos today. So we can see today's transactions that I've made on the 26th of August. So you can see the entries are 50 entries. So we are going to show you where I received the token and when I received the token. So today I'm going to tap on this one. This one is not being paid yet. So when you tap on the wallet address, it will give you this information. It says, oh please, we couldn't find this transaction object. Alright, so it means it's on gradual process. It's first come first serve. So when it reaches you, the system will pay you automatically. So let's go back. Alright, so I'm going to the entry number 5 and verify for you to see. I withdrawed the 0.0027 on the 14th of August, and you can see that I received it on the 19th of August. So it means 5 days, then they paid me. I'm going to teach you how to get your repo and start withdrawing. Alright, so as you can see on the screen right now, I'm going to teach you how to register this project. So I'll be leaving the referral link in the description box. Alright, so as you can see, it says that the promo end date is September 5th, 2023. The available balance on their system for us to withdraw is 33,348 XR. First thing that you have to do is go to create account, then you enter your username, email, enter your full name, and also select your country currencies. Alright, so I have logged in back onto my account. So I'm going to teach you how to withdraw it. So as you can see, it says withdrawals are proceed automatically. So it says click here to join Telegram transaction group. So I'm going to teach you something here. So when you tap on the red link there, it will redirect you to their Telegram platform, and the Telegram platform is there to monitor their transactions that is going on. So everybody is going for the 0.00027 repo. Alright, so as you can see, since this morning they've made today, this is today's transactions. This is 26th of August 2023. The transactions are going on very massively. So you can see that 11:52 someone is being paid, 11:54, and check the time here, 11:54 a.m. in Ghana. Another person is being paid E. So this is the wallet of the person. These are the transactions ID. When you tap on one, you will see the transaction details. So as you can see, you'll be seeing that it is what success, and there is the amount being paid. Alright, so let's go back to our website. So the next thing that we are going to do is to redraw our repo. So when you go to redraw, they will ask you to enter your address. So this is my address, but they will ask you to enter the designation tag, which is their memo. The designation tag is memo. So when you go to your either Binance or SuperX account, when you search for repo, when you go to deposit, then you search for XRP. So this is the repo. Please choose the repo network itself. Don't go and choose for those who will be using other wallets like OKX, Binance, etc. You just pick the main network. So that's the repo, and you go to continue. So you copy your address, then you copy your memo, but I'm having the address already on my phone, so make sure you get all. So I'm going to copy my memo, then go back to the website. So my address is already here, so I will paste in my memo. So this is my memo. Then you go to confirm withdrawal transaction. Your withdrawal was received. We will proceed it within 24 hours once we have done the moderating the transaction. With moderating this transaction, then you go to close. So after you go to close, you go and do another withdrawal. So you go to close notification. So all the transactions that you are doing, so you can see that here is that is 2:58. That's their time, but in Ghana it's 11:58 a.m. So as you can see, I've done another transaction. So every transaction that you do, it takes 1 minute to do another one. So when you go to the withdrawal, it says you can withdraw 0.0027 repo every 1 minute to withdraw. Alright, so thank you very much for being with Dice Media TV. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment and share for others to benefit from this project. Please kindly keep in mind that airdrops are 100% free. Don't pay any amount or any fee for any airdrop. Also, do your own research before joining any airdrop. Lastly, keep in mind that not every airdrop project will succeed.